Assalomu alaykum. Bugun juda ham qiziqarli hikoya bor, shuning uchun keling, uni o'qib tarjima qilamiz. This is Sam, bu Sam. He has a brother Tom. Uni Tom ismli akasi bor. He thinks Tom likes a cake. U Tom tort yaxshi ko'radi deb o'ylaydi. It's a good present, he thinks. Bu juda ham yaxshi present degani tuhfa deb o'ylaydi u. Sam wants to present his brother a cake. U xohlaydi akasiga tuhfa etishni tortni for his birthday, tug'ilgan kuni uchun. But he hasn't enough money. Lekin yetarlicha puli yo'q. Sam opens his bag. Sam o'zini sumkasini ochadi. But there is no money. Lekin u yerda pul yo'q. He asks his friend to help. O'zini do'stidan so'raydi yordamni. But his friend can't help him. Lekin do'sti yordam bera olmaydi. He's a pupil, o'quvchi, and he hasn't enough money for a cake. Va unda tort uchun yetarli puli yo'q. Sam goes to a cake shop. Sam cake shop degani tort magaziniga boradi. Demak, Sam goes boradi. He looks at a banana cake. U bananli tortga qaraydi. And the strawberry cake va qulpunoyli tortga qaraydi. He likes the cakes. Unga yoqadi tortlar. And he wants to buy one. Va u xohlaydi bitta bir tortni sotib olishni. Bu yerda bizda yangi so'zimiz bor. Seller, ya'ni sotuvchi. Sam gives the money to the seller. Ya'ni Sam pulni sotuvchiga beradi. But there is no enough money, says the seller to Sam. Lekin bu yerda yetarli pul yo'q-ku, deydi Sam sotuvchiga. But I want this cake. Lekin men xohlayman shu tortni. You can give me a chocolate cake. Siz menga shokoladli tort berishingiz mumkin. Or fruit cake. Yoki mevali tortni berishingiz mumkin. But please give me a cake. Lekin iltimos menga tort bering. Sam thinks what to do. Sam nima qilishni o'ylab qoladi. If he doesn't buy a cake, agarda u tortni sotib olmasa, his brother can't have a birthday. Uni akasida tug'ilgan kun bo'lmaydi. What can I do? He thinks. Nima qilay ekan? Deb o'ylaydi Sam. He asks a seller for some work. U demak sotuvchidan bir qandaydir bir ish so'ramoqda. I can wash dishes. Men idish yuvishim mumkin. I help my mother at home and I can help you. Men uyimda onamga yordam beraman va sizga ham yordam berishim mumkin. Sam thinks about a cake. Sam tort haqida o'ylaydi. When I wash all the dishes, qachon men hamma idishlarni yuvib bo'lsam, the seller can give me a chocolate cake with a strawberry. Menga sotuvchi shokoladli tortni, qulpunoy bilan birga bo'lgan tortni berishi mumkin. Sam is tired. Sam charchadi. But he must work. Lekin u ishlashi kerak. There are many dishes to wash on the table. Ya'ni stolda yuvgani yana juda ko'p idishlar turibdi. Yana yangi so'zimiz bor bu yerda. All degani hammasi degani. Sam washes all the dishes. Sam hamma idishlarni yuvadi. Va mana, this is your money, says the seller. Ya'ni bu sizni pulingiz, deydi seller sotuvchi. Sam has enough money to buy a cake. Samda demak endi enough degani yetarli pul bor tort sotib olish uchun. He says, u gapirmoqda. No, please, Uncle John, can you sell me a chocolate cake, says Sam. Demak, yo'q, iltimos, John ismi ekan, ya'ni John deb turib uncle deb tog'a deb iltimos qilmoqda. Can you, siz menga sotib beralasizmi bitta shokolad tortingizni? The seller gives him a cake. Demak, sotuvchi unga bitta tortni bermoqda. Can we put fruit on the cake? asked Sam. Biz mana shu tortni ustiga fruit, meva qo'ya olamizmi? deb so'ramoqda Sam. The seller smiles and puts fruit on the cake. Demak, sotuvchi kulib turib, bitta mevani, demak, qanaqadir mevani qo'yapti tortga. This is a fruit cake, says the seller. Mana bu endi nima ekan? Mevali tort. The seller says that Sam is a good boy. Ya'ni sotuvchi Samni yaxshi bola deb aytadi. And gives him a cake to eat in the cake shop. Va unga, demakki, o'sha magazinda, tort magazinida yeb olish uchun tort bermoqda. Sam is happy. Sam judayam xursand. He takes the cake and goes home. U tortni olib uyga ketmoqda. At home, uyda, Sam gives the cake to his brother. Sam tortni akasiga beradi. Happy birthday, brother, says Sam with a smile. Tug'ilgan kuningiz bilan, akajon, deydi Sam. Smile degani tabassum bilan. This is the best cake, Sam, laughs Tom. Bu eng zo'r tort, Sam, deb kulmoqda. Tom, ya'ni uni akasi. Mana shunaqangi qiziqarli hikoya. Xayr.